In this video, you're going to get introduced to Node.js. So before you dive into this definition you can find in the Node.js website, let's go back to JavaScript and review a few things. You know that by adding JavaScript to a web page, you can add so many nice features which improve the user experience. You can add animations, you can respond to user actions, you can also do some form validation, you can do asynchronous calls to a server, and so on. But even though these features can deliver an outstanding user experience, JavaScript has been limited so far to the front end. So you could only add JavaScript to the browser. Now things have changed and you can run JavaScript on the server side, writing code which can be executed on a server. So you can now create an app using JavaScript which will run on a server. And to do that, you can use Node.js. Now let's go back to our definition and understand what it means. So it says that Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Well, what does it mean exactly? Well, let's start with the first bit of the definition. A JavaScript runtime is an environment where you can run JavaScript. So as an example, if you open your Chrome's console and you type some JavaScript code like console.log hi, this is going to be executed and you get the right result. Well, if you install Node.js on your computer, you can actually run the same code on your own computer and have the same result without having to do this on a browser. So by installing Node, you will create an environment for JavaScript to be written and run. So that's what a JavaScript runtime means. This runtime is built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So what is the V8 engine? Well, it's an engine built by Chrome using C++ and it's used by Chrome as well. So it will convert your JavaScript code to low-level or machine code which can be understood by your computer's microprocessors. It has got a very high performance. Now, if you head to this website in GitHub, which was published in November 2018, you will see the top programming languages based on the number of repositories created in this period. And you can see that JavaScript is the top one at the moment. And you can tell that it's quite ahead compared to other languages. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that this popularity might have been backed up by Node.js, which makes it possible for developers to use the same language for the client side and the server side. And that's very important because if you learn JavaScript and use it to manage the front end, then you can use that same knowledge to write JavaScript code on the server side. Now, your JavaScript code will only run if you put it inside the correct runtime, which can understand and execute JavaScript. And Node can provide that for you, since it is itself a JavaScript runtime. Now, Node.js has become more and more popular since its creation in 2009. So many big companies nowadays use Node.js in one of their projects. This includes NASA, PayPal, eBay, and so many others. You can also use Node.js to build desktop applications as it comes with some really powerful built-in modules. Using Node.js, you can read the content of files, create files, delete files, and do all the file management operations that you want. If you want to check a good example of a desktop application built using Node.js, then you can have a look at the Daily Project desktop app. It's a nice app which is used for task management or project management, and it comes with so many features, all built using Node.js. So for example, you can have time tracking of different tasks. You can add categories to different tasks. You can also add notes to tasks, use progress bars, filter tasks, and so on. Alright, in the next video, you're going to install Node.js on your computer and start building Node.js applications.